Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a compatible iPhone and the latest iOS. Once done, open Settings and activate Dynamic Island. This enables the system to reroute notifications into the island. Make sure apps have notification and live activity permissions so they can surface content there. Next, customize basic behavior. Set focus filters and notification previews so only useful interactions appear. This gets you past setup quickly and puts control in your hands before you move to workflows and app-specific tweaks. You now shape how Dynamic Island behaves during real use. First, prioritize apps. Decide which ones stay persistent and which remain transient, so important info stays visible. Then configure live activities for things like rides, timers, and sports scores. These keep a glanceable summary without interrupting you. Once set, link focus modes and shortcuts to automatically adjust island content by context, for example, muting social updates during work. These steps reduce noise and make the island a proactive, context-aware tool that surfaces only what matters. You finish by applying advanced usage and a practical fix. Integrate third-party apps designed for Dynamic Island to unlock richer controls and shortcuts. This expands functionality beyond defaults. If an app stops updating or island behaves oddly, restart your phone, toggle the Dynamic Island setting off and on, and reinstall the specific app if needed. Also make sure low power mode or aggressive battery settings aren't blocking live updates. If problems persist, temporarily disable focus filters to verify the island isn't being suppressed by.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.